when you face the rejection, there is only one option: to recover. Hi, this is Primoz Lazar here, and that's my success principle for today. It usually happens that after a certain time you hit the wall. It will happen that you start climbing up and you are happy and you put all of the things out and you have a goal and you are reaching after it. But there is a curve when it will go again a little bit down, so it can go up again and down and again up. And here is the point: before it goes down, you need to expect it a little bit, that the life is not beautiful, it doesn't go straight up, but you will hit the wall, you will hit the rejection, unexpectedly things will go a little bit wrong, and that's when you will become exhausted. That's where the doubt will come in, that's where the frustration will cross your way, cross your path, and you need to be prepared for that. And it's only one solution that can take you forward, and that is to recover. You need to come back again to the present and find some way to recover and to charge your batteries, to forget those emotions, to just relieve, to start breathing, take everything away and start again, because you from now on will expect that it will come to the down point. And when you reach this point, when you're on the top, don't get overexcited, because the next day, the next 2 days, it may go wrong. So expect that the future can't always go just slightly nicely up. It's not that bright, but there will be these points that you will lose your way and recover at that time. Only one way to go through is to recover, recharge your bodies, focus on your goals and go forward. Okay, that was Primoz and my success principle for today: recover. Be ready to recover. Charge your batteries, recover, find yourself, find your focus, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.